This video is to explain how to do a development on a right pyramid. This is actually one of the simpler developments that you can do, and a right pyramid has 90-degree angles in the corners. Okay, and also this is a symmetrical right pyramid, and all of these lengths here are the same. Okay, now the thing is that even though these lengths are the same, none of these views show the true length. So using the revolution method or the folding line method, however you want to do it, you can find the true lengths of those lines. Now in this video I'm going to show you using the revolution method. Now you only really need two views. You only need the top and the front view. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and erase this one, and then I'm going to start off and I'm going to try to find the true length of these lines. Okay, now if I find one, I found all four. So I'm just going to start off just like we have before. I'm going to start at the end point, and I'm going to draw a circle all the way to the other end of a line. Okay, and then from the starting point, I'm going to draw a line straight out to the side, and from the intersection point of that line and the circle, I'm going to draw a line straight down. Okay, now from the base here, I'm going to go draw a line straight out. I'm going to do a little cleaning up. May I help you out a little bit if I clean this up. I can actually trim this out and erase the circle. Might help you visualize it a little better. Okay, but now that I've done that, from the beginning of the line here to the intersection of the lines here, okay, I'm going to zoom in. It goes all the way to the intersection. That is the true length of that line on the right pyramid. Okay, and if I go to the properties panel, the length of that line is 9.588. Okay, so what I need to do now, just anywhere out in space, I'm going to draw a circle. So I'll type in C for circle, and then I'll put in a radius of 9.588. Okay, now it really doesn't matter how you draw this next line, as long as it goes from the center point. And I probably would draw it either straight down, straight up, straight to the right. Okay, I'll just use it straight down. Now, one thing that you can tell from looking at this figure, this line, this line, this line, and this line, they're all already true length. Okay, they're already shown in true length. So a lot of your work is already done on this development. So you can go to the properties panel and find the length of that line is 7.4114. Okay, now I'm going to go to the end of this line and then draw another circle and make it a radius of 7.4114. Okay, now from this point to the intersection of those two lines, I'll draw another line, and then I will draw a line from the center of the big circle to the intersection of those two circles. Okay, and now I will find the length of this line, and that length is 3.7057. So I will draw another circle from the end point of these lines here, 3.7057. Actually, I need to check that again. I feel like I may have gotten the numbers wrong. Nope, that's correct. Alright, and then I'll do the same process again. And then I can erase this circle. And you can just go through the same process again. Go to the properties panel, 7.4114. Having trouble snapping to the end. 7.4114. Okay. and erase that circle. And I need to do this one more time, and I can't remember, again, I can't remember the length, 3.7057. Okay, and alright, and now I'm done. And that's what the development for a right pyramid looks like. Let me change that to something a little easier to see. Okay, and you can tell that I got all the measurements, all of these lines, because of my big circle, are all the same length. Okay, this line and this line is the same length as this line. Okay, and this line and this line is the same length as this line. Okay, and that's the development of a right pyramid, and that concludes this video.